All right, what do we got?
All right. First one comes from Elizabeth Francis on Facebook. If my son comes here, can he stay here and I file the I-130, or is it best for him to go back home and become a permanent resident in Jamaica?
How old is he? And are you a citizen or a resident?
Nothing. None of that.
All right.
Angie Wilson on Facebook. My son got involved in a fight with one of his classmates in middle school at 12 years old. He was arrested and went to court. The judge dismissed the case without prejudice. I am living and working legally in the U.S. and he is living with me. Will this affect him when my husband files for him and me? One of the questions on the I-485 that I need to fill in for his filing asked, have you ever been arrested, charged, or detained for any reason by any law enforcement, officially, including immigration officials and U.S., you know how the question goes. Should I check yes?
The answer is this. The answer is this.
18 now.
Okay. You're not going to hold an arrest of a 12-year-old against him. You can't prove, you can't have good moral character or bad moral character as a 12-year-old. Ultimately, he was a juvenile. Ultimately, the case got dismissed. So as a result, it'll be fine. Do you have to tell the truth? Absolutely. He got arrested as a juvenile, as a 12-year-old, charges dismissed.
Okay, love on YouTube. I got an update from my petition form. What does "we are actively reviewing your petition form, our records show there's no outstanding at the moment" mean?
Exactly that. We are actively reviewing it, which is their catch-all for we haven't looked at it yet, really, to tell you the truth. So when they say they are actively looking at it, what they're saying is we haven't done a thing for it. It's somewhere in a pile. Eventually we'll get to it. That's what it really is.
It's a nicer way of saying it.
Exactly.
Tafik Muhammad on YouTube. I have an 8 years old biological daughter in Ethiopia. To apply for citizenship in the embassy, what documents required? Do I have to be in Ethiopia for my daughter physically? Is W-2 required?
She wants to know how to get citizenship for her daughter?
Yeah.
Well, I need to know a little bit more. Are you basing the citizenship because when you were when your daughter was born, you were already a U.S. citizen? Or does your daughter have a green card and you became a citizen after she was born? Let's take both. Okay. If she was, because that would be the two ways that she would be an automatic citizen. So if you're basing citizenship based on the fact that when your daughter was born, you were already a United States citizen, you would need to show that you were residing in the United States lawfully for 5 years before her birth. So you're going to need your Social Security record, your tax records. You're going to need to show her birth certificate that you are her child, you are the parent, and so you need her birth certificate, proof of your citizenship, and proof you were residing in the United States 5 years prior to her birth. No, you do not have to be there. Alternatively, if you're basing it on that she has a green card, well, then you're going to have to prove that you have legal and physical custody of her in the United States and you became a U.S. citizen. So I don't know if she would be a citizen under those scenarios.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.